Golden eagle. Scientific name, Aquila chrysaetos. The golden eagle is a bird of prey living in the Northern Hemisphere. It is the most widely distributed species of eagle. The genus Aquila is distributed across every continent but for South America and Antarctica.
The golden eagle is a very large raptor, 66 to 102 centimeters in length. Its wings are broad and the wingspan is 1.8 to 2.34 meters. The wingspan of golden eagles is the fifth largest among living eagle species. Females are larger than males. Females average around 5.1 kilograms, 11 pounds.
When diving after prey, a golden eagle can reach 240 to 320 kilometers per hour, 150 to 200 miles per hour. In 2017, the French Army trained golden eagles to catch drones.